Now, if you are anything like me, you only get as sophisticated with data keeping around your National School Counseling Week presentations, or maybe it's that you're just breaking out a pre and post anytime it's time to do a small group counseling session. And I want better for you. I've done better for myself and I want better for you. So I want to show you the counseling service tracker by me, the school counselor coach. So I'm going to show you briefly what the features are so that you know why you need to be investing in this tracker. So as you can see, this is where you're going to put most of your daily information. It is has all the things that you need as far as like student name, which I have examples here, but typically when you're putting students on this tracker, you need to code these names. That way anybody looking at the screen doesn't know who those students are. It gives you date, grade level, teacher homeroom, planned or unplanned, category of support, and it has drop down boxes and categories, and you can go and you can edit and choose your own things to put in there. Delivery of support. So, like, how are you supporting the students? Again, drop down boxes with editable categories, and then showing you whether you have follow up needed or not. So, I like to be able to see like a red for I know that I need follow up for a student so that I can remember to go back and try to close out that situation. Because we all know not everything that needs to get done in a day gets done in a day. So sometimes there's going to be some follow up situations with some kids. Now, like I said, as you saw before, the great thing about this tracker and what's so genius about it is that you get these graphs for you based off of the information that you're inputting in here. So I have a weekly meeting with my administrator. I'm able to pull out this data and give him a kind of a breakdown of what am I spending most of my time doing as far as services, and then what are the challenges that students are coming to me most for. Okay. So the other great thing that I love about this tracker is now watch this. I'm going to change my grade levels. A lot of these were like mixed, right? As far as like third, second, fourth, but I'm going to change a bunch of these to kindergarten. When I go back to my data hub, and I look at grades, this is now updated to reflect all of those kindergarten students that I just put into this tracker. So these are live data graphs that you'd be able to, again, utilize and throughout the school year as you're inputting students, you don't have to do anything. Literally, you're just inputting the data and the graphs are being curated for you. So if you're interested in that, like I said, this email has the link for it. If you're watching this video another way, my link tree has the link to this counseling service tracker. But again, you really want to join me for my upcoming masterclass on data collection so that I can show you what all you can do with these things, as well as how you can assess your data to figure out what services that you should be doing with your students based off of the data that you have. Because it's pointless just to collect data just to collect it, right? Yes, we can impress people, but it's a step further when you can start to say, how can I change my practices based off of what are the presenting issues? All right, so like I said, I hope you enjoy. If you have questions, feel free to email me at youngmindcreationsllc@gmail.com. Thanks.